A major blow. In contrast to other rulings on the issue, a federal judge here in Maryland sides with the Trump administration's decision to end the DACA program. WJZ is live. George Solis speaking with immigrant advocates who say they are appealing the decision, what this means for so-called dreamers. George.
That's right. Good evening, Vic. Previously, 3 federal judges ruling against the Trump administration's plan to end the DACA program. Now, this latest ruling doesn't impact any of those cases, but advocates fear it could have much larger and damaging implications down the road.
I think it was a mistake.
One, Baltimore dreamers like Amy Elvira Maldonado say they now plan to fix. Friday, CASA, an immigrant advocate group representing her and hundreds of others in Maryland, filing an appeal to a March decision made by a federal judge in the state supporting the end of the DACA program.
I found it discriminatory because I don't think there was any reason for him to side with the Trump administration.
In his opinion, Maryland Judge Roger Titus saying the administration is within its rights to end DACA, writing he wished he could have arrived at a different conclusion, adding he hoped that Congress and the president will finally get their job done. Other federal judges have ruled against ending the program, which protects some young immigrants from deportation. The Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals program was set to end months ago, but court rulings have kept it going to some degree. Whether they're for or against, DACA recipients say these lower court rulings are merely just crumbs of the cake that will ultimately be a Supreme Court decision on DACA. Dreamers hoping a win here in Maryland only strengthens their case should it get to the highest court in the land.
We want to make sure that it gets clarified.
In the past, the president has blamed Democrats for failing to come up with a permanent solution to DACA.
The Democrats have really let them down. It's a shame. And now people are taking advantage of DACA.
A federal judge in a previous ruling gave the Trump administration 90 days to make a better case to justify ending the program. All of it frustrating for dreamers like Amy, who say they are living in legal limbo.
We're going to keep fighting. We're going to keep fighting because it's not right.
Now, part of CASA's argument in their appeal is that the judge in this case did agree that data collected by the government about DACA recipients can't be used against them in immigration enforcement other than on a case-by-case basis. Live tonight, George Solis reporting for WJZ.
George, thank you. The case now has to the 4th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals in Virginia.